Wow, I never would have expected that to happen because it was literally listed as a Tommy Hilfiger product, and here we are. Yeah. What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger experience. We're here live in my Tommy closet, and let me tell you, I have a great video planned for today. I placed some bids on eBay because why? I'm kind of an eBay addict. It's an obsession. Honestly, it's not okay, but I'm constantly searching for vintage Tommy Hilfiger pieces on the eBay. And let me tell you, I found some very cool stuff in these boxes right here. I'm gonna share with you today what I won, and we're gonna have a Tommy Hilfiger experience. If you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, maybe a Monster, who knows, and keep on watching. Today I am serving the ultimate fall look from head to toe. You can't see my shoes, but I will be wearing these Tommy Hilfiger duck boots. Check out the details that are in these. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Take me to the pumpkin patch already. But aside from these, we have this vintage Tommy Hilfiger plaid shirt, which I absolutely adore. And I'm gonna be breaking out this vintage Tommy Hilfiger bag right here. This is the ultimate autumn ambience. Are you kidding me? The pumpkin is here. If you can't tell, I love the fall, okay? Here in the US, the fall is kind of like a big deal. In Tommy Hilfiger news, have you seen the new capsule that's gonna be dropping soon? It is pop icon related. And guys, I absolutely love pop culture 100%. Backstreet Boys, Rolling Stone, Britney Spears, I don't know who else. I think there was TLC. There was a bunch of just 90s pop groups that are listed within this capsule. So I don't know if there's any more than what they've already gave us hints for, but either way, I'm super excited. So stay tuned on here for any update about that. And of course, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to follow me to stay updated on a haul, because you know, once those pieces drop, we're gonna be doing a haul on this channel. Let's get into this haul for today though, because I'm ready to open up these items. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I completely forgot what I even ordered. I just let these things collect and then do a haul, but I know these are all eBay related because I make piles, blah blah blah. I'm gonna stop talking. So in other words, my life gets crazy and busy and I work a lot, so filming stuff like this, I have to have time for it. But I itch honestly to open up these things. I'm just like, you need to film a video, you need to get content, so wait for that. It's like the ultimate patience test, I swear. All right, so what do we have in this? Okay, we have a box. What is in here? Ah! What is this? Okay, we have lollipops. Dum-dums. Is somebody trying to say something here? I've never seen that before with an eBay purchase. Somebody give me lollipops. Cute. I guess trick or treat. And then there's a box. It says 𝗏𝗟𝗧. I don't know what 𝗏𝗟𝗧 is. Yes! Okay, so we have Tommy Hilfiger. These are cufflinks, which is well, not cufflinks, they're for suits. These are cuff bracelets. Whatever. Came very weird. That's different. But here we have this one. And there's actually a Tommy Hilfiger tag on it. Oh! It says $50 on the back, so that's a tag. On the back, it says $50. So holy crap, this was $50 probably for the pair, but here we have this one right here. I'm gonna say they're kind of beautiful. I highly doubt they're going to even fit me. I'm gonna be honest, they're probably not gonna fit me, but we're gonna give it a shot anywho. This one goes perfect with my outfit right now, and I'm a sucker for silver, so you know what? It is cutting off my freaking circulation. That's why. But it looks cool. Oh my god. I wish there was a way I could stretch it. Oh my, look at that. You know what? These are going to be just for my Tommy vaults. I'm going to have these packed away. Oh my god. Okay, we can't lose that tag because this is obviously an older tag. But there's details on here such as the Tommy logo right there. And then if you flip this over, it actually says Hilfiger right there. But how perfect would this have been with this outfit? It's the exact same colors, the same vibe, and that would have been great. Honestly though, this is super tight and I'm kind of afraid to mess with the metal because it is an older piece, But these are so cool. It's the same thing on here. It says Hilfiger right there, logo right there. So that's the pair. Very cool. Yeah, I had like bad luck with this Tommy Hilfiger cuff because it barely fits, but at least it does fit. This is my other Tommy Hilfiger cuff that barely fits, but it fits a little bit. But yeah, I'm done getting Tommy Hilfiger cuffs. Those were just super cheap, and yeah, now they're just gonna be within my little museum I have going on here. Next up, we have a box, and again, I'm not sure what is in this either. I guess she didn't want to stay on, so we're not wearing that. All right, so this is, oh, this is a hat. This is a Tommy Hilfiger vintage hat. I got this for $10 on eBay. I was actually keeping an eye out for this for a while, and the auction was going on for such a long time. And then finally, I put in a bid for $10, and they sold it to me. So #lucky. This is the hat though. Look at that front. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. My favorite thing is the fact that there's actually a crest right there. So instead of the O for Tommy, there's a crest. That's amazing. That's so freaking cool. And I love this color. It does say Tommy on the side. So this is like a full look at the hat. And this is... Okay. So this is definitely a knockoff Tommy Hilfiger hat. That is real. That is a shame. That is a scam. Honestly, I think I'm gonna dispute this. This is the tag. That's the tag. I was gooped. I was absolutely a thief. I was thiefed, whatever you call it. That is not okay. That is not cool. HCAP. Who the heck are they?
Not Tommy Hilfiger.
Wow, I never would have expected that to happen because it was literally listed as a Tommy Hilfiger product, and here we are. Yeah. It feels like good quality though, I have to say. It doesn't feel like a crappy hat or anything. It definitely feels, you know, not chintzy, but it's still not an authentic Tommy Hilfiger piece, so that's a bummer. Next up, we have another box here. This is the last box until I show you guys the shoes I got, but that was quite disappointing, I have to say. I was totally not expecting that. If you guys have any experience with like disputing anything on eBay, please let me know because I never had to do it before. Okay, so this is something, I remember getting this. I bid for this piece and I honestly cannot believe that I got it for as cheap as I did. But this is something that I don't have in my collection. It is a Tommy Hilfiger Ferrari piece. So this is most definitely not in the most immaculate condition, but here we have the front. There's the Ferrari logo right there. Then Tommy Hilfiger, which is looking a little dilapidated. The back is an orange, and looks like on this sleeve we have the Tommy Hilfiger logo, Ferrari logo. Yeah, this is most definitely in not good condition. People need to start listing that type of quality on their like listings, seriously, or take in like better quality pictures. But this side, it does have Tommy logo, limited edition. I mean, it's cool. It's definitely cool. We have like a neat little detail underneath the collar. This is the tag on the inside. As you can see, definitely looks like an authentic Tommy piece. I 100% do not doubt that this is like a true Tommy Hilfiger product. Check out some of the lining that's on like the sleeve right here. It's like chipping away. So I don't know like what originally was there, if it was a suede or what material, but that isn't cute. So this is obviously something that I'm just gonna put away. It's not amazing condition, but I still own a Tommy Hilfiger Ferrari piece, so I have that at least checked off my bucket list for Tommy, but that's a little disappointing. Well guys, I'm so sorry that this haul is not the best experience, but you know, being authentic as far as like how it goes buying on eBay. And one thing is, I love getting brand new pieces and adding like new Tommy pieces to my collection here, but what's important to me is just being sustainable with fashion and revamping old pieces, giving them another chance and a home. And as important as it is to like recycle clothing and reproduce, it's also important to, give pieces that are not damaged and not in crappy condition a second chance. So that's what I also do with my atomic pieces, as you can tell. But we have one more thing here, and luckily this is one to not be disappointed about. I did actually open these from the box, but they are still wrapped up, obvi. And oh my god, so they're not technically a penny loafer. I guess they're more of like a boat shoe, but these are a vintage Tommy Hilfiger piece as well, and they're in incredible condition. I don't know what it is with this whole like preppy style, like this early Y2K like preppy fashion that's come back into style, but I have to say I've been living for it, and these are most definitely that kind of vibe. So here we have, I'll just show one at a time. This is the boot. Look at that. Oh my god, these are beautiful. That's the back. Here we have the bottom. They're not red bottoms, they're caramel bottoms, whatever color you call that. But I like how there's red around the rim as well, giving very much Tommy vibes. Here on the front of the lip, it does say Z branding, which we appreciate. And for the most part, I mean, these are just in amazing condition. I don't know how I got these in my size, but I'm absolutely shook. We also have some Tommy colors back there in the very back, which is awesome. And these are just super sick. Like the stitching is incredible. Like these, I'm not sure how old these are, but these are most definitely something that's at least 10 years old. So that's pretty cool. I guess you would call that vintage. I am so happy to be adding these to my collection because I feel like this fall and winter, these boots are going to be getting a lot of use. So I love that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this Tommy Hilfiger experience. I'm sorry if I disappointed you with a knockoff and also a botched Tommy Hilfiger shirt. What the heck? I'm shook right now, even like knowing that I didn't catch that in the listing. Hopefully I can find the listing so I could share with you guys. It looked nothing like what I received. If you did love this video, please give it a thumbs up. That goes a long way, helps out with my channel. The more likes I get on here, the more people will see this video and come to my channel, and we'll have even more of a better Tommy Hilfiger community. Also, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to hit the notification bell if you want to stay notified with all my upcoming content. Also, if you are much of a lover of Tommy Hilfiger, do not forget to follow The House of Hilfiger, which is my dedicated Tommy Hilfiger Instagram page. On there, I post a lot of my collection, my looks, some new pieces, some vintage pieces, some of you guys I do actually share as well. So do not forget to tag and hashtag House of Hilfiger to possibly be featured. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.